Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Today is going to be a slightly different video, as I'm not going to show you a pipe or present tobacco. Instead, I'm going to present a knife. I've noticed that a lot of you guys are like going out in the woods or maybe have houses outside, so well, even if you don't, a knife is always handy to have. For small jobs that require one here and there. So this is a folding knife by Columbia River, or CRKT as is always the logo. This is the M16-10KZ knife. And it comes with the auto locks mechanism, which I'll tell you what it is in a minute. This is what it looks like, folded. It has a very handy clip here, put on your belt. This is the knife unfolded. Now, as most folding knives, it has a locking liner here, which once the blade is fully extended, just drops here, and it prevents the blade from locking. Now, this one has an extra locking mechanism. You see a small button here, a small lever. Now, this is the auto locks mechanism. You cannot release the locking liner unless you have released this first. Even if you push and you manage to get it, on the side, still it won't lock, it won't budge, it won't lock at all. It just won't do it. Just won't fold. It won't fold at all, no matter what you do there. So what you need to do first is pull back the auto locks lever, and then with your thumb push the liner, and then fold the knife. Columbia River says that these are the safest folders on the planet. I'm not sure about that claim. I haven't checked all locking folders, all folders on the planet, or the locking folders, or whatever, but I see that this works perfectly. It doesn't fold. It's great. Now it has a screw here. If you screw it a bit, you will lax the hold on the blade a bit, and in which case you will be able to unfold the knife with just one finger. Otherwise, you'll have to go, the traditional way. But I unscrewed this just a wee bit, and now I can unfold it with just one finger. The handle is made of really good grade plastic, and it has metal inserts on the inside. The blade has a bit of a serrated edge here on the part that is closest to the handle. Now, with the use as expected, of course, this one is brand new. My brother also has one of these. He has used quite a lot at work, and well, with the use, the black coating, of course, is going to be scratched, and it's gonna. But in any case, you will not find these knives at a very high price. Even though they're high quality, they're not as expensive. Another thing that you will find is that the steel that the blade is made of is slightly softer, which makes it much easier to sharpen, but you might create, you know, dents and everything if you make it cut things that it's not supposed to cut, meaning very hard materials. For everyday use, it's beautiful, it's great, it's very high quality, and the locking mechanism, as we said, works perfectly. Now, it comes really sharp from the factory, so you need to be careful, because it really cuts to cut my cigars with it. It's that sharp, the cigar tips, instead of using a cigar cutter. It's really sharp. As I said, it's a very high quality knife, and it's great for everyday use. Small enough to put in your pocket, nice clip, put it in your belt, opens easily. This is it. Columbia River M16-10KZ. They have different finishes and stuff, and different colors in the M16 line. This is it. As with anything else, if you decide to purchase this, make sure you enjoy it and be very careful on its use. It's a knife, it cuts. Make sure you don't cut yourself, and it would be advisable not to cut anybody else for that matter. So be very careful in the use of a knife, especially one that is as sharp as this. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.